Hi and welcome to another bench test video by Egress Systems. This time we're going to be recalibrating HandPunch. So over time HandPunch can get dirty depending upon where it's been living. You can probably see on this one there's lots of dust and grime on the mirror there. There's bits of dirt on the and stains on the silver plate. It's a little bit dusty on the lens just above. So what that does is it affects the calibration score of the terminal. So we can get the calibration score in two different ways. If we can get into the menu, if it's still allowing us to sort of use the clock in and allow supervisors to get into the menu, we can do it that way. We can press clear and enter together, type in my pin number, place my hand, and this time when it asks for a password it's 1 and enter. Option there says calibrate, so we say yes to that, and that will show us the current calibration scores. So the first two values, these are fine on here. So we've got 0 and -1. If it was above 2 or greater than -2 for either the R or the C value, then that wouldn't be very good. That would be out of calibration. The E value on here is getting a bit high. Generally anything above 120 on the E value is considered to be out of calibration. So we're going to be looking to see what we can do here to bring that value down. Okay, if I press the clear button now to come back out of that menu, and what we're going to do is to power the unit off. I'm going to do some cleaning of the unit, and then we're going to recalibrate it. So what I have here is just some glass cleaner, and I've got a microfiber cloth. I'm going to spray the glass cleaner onto the cloth. I'm going to clean the lens and try and get rid of any stains or marks which are built up on the lens. So I'm going to put a little bit of elbow grease in, trying to get rid of all of those marks, especially going around where the pins are, get rid of all of the grime which has built up over time around the pins, going all the way to the very back of the unit. It does benefit from being quite thorough doing this. So generally speaking, something like glass cleaner or screen cleaner on a nice microfiber cloth is possibly the best thing to use to clean your HandPunch with. And really, if you can clean the HandPunch fairly regularly, then you'll avoid a build-up of dirt, obviously, and you'll avoid the unit from going too far out of calibration. So we're just about done with this one. Okay, so when I power the unit back on again, the actual action of powering on and off recalibrates the HandPunch. So with a bit of luck we should be able to reduce at least that E score that we saw earlier from 126. So we're just booting up now. So let's try and get into the menu. One and enter. Calibrate, yes. And the E values come down to 109, which is pretty good. So I'm fairly happy with that. If I wasn't able to get into the menu because it wasn't accepting my hand, the other way of getting the calibration score from the normal menu, from the normal screen, is to press the No button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then we can get those values there. So Thank you very much for watching this calibration video.